Hello, ladies. In my last Stitch Fix unboxing, you know I had requested a few items I had pinned and said build an outfit around any of them. Most of you also know that Stitch Fix stylists can only pick from the warehouse that the client is capitated to. So all my clothes need to come out of the Bethlehem, Pennsylvania warehouse. I live in New Jersey, so that's probably the closest warehouse. And some of those items that I had pinned might not be available in the Bethlehem, Pennsylvania warehouse. I wrote to Stitch Fix and requested my stylist be able to pick a different warehouse, and they said no. Wish they could, because they're spending a lot on my return postage. So I had sent everything back in that last Stitch Fix box, but I went on Shop Your Looks. I keep calling it Shop Your Style. It's Shop Your Looks. If I say Shop Your Style, you'll know what I mean. Where they suggest items for you on the Stitch Fix app, and you can order them directly, anyone they suggest to you. The disadvantage to that is if you want 5 items, you don't get the 5 for 5 discount. However, they'll send items from any of their warehouses that show up there. So within a few days of returning my Stitch Fix, I saw 2 items that I had my eye on in the Shop Your Looks. So I ordered them, and they are here together the same day. Here's one. This one is coming from, doesn't say what state, it's zip 75211. I know that's nowhere near me because New Jersey starts with a 0 like New York. So that's got to be pretty far west, but not all the way west. 75211. If you know what that is, comment in the comment box. This one in a separate bag clearly says, oh no, whoa, Texas. Are they both Texas? They're both Texas. 2 different bags, probably the same Texas warehouse. Okay. One of them should be the set of capris from Cosmic Blue Love I had my eye on. I have no idea the country of origin. I also am suffering from the COVID-10, which is those 10 pounds you put on when you're in quarantine, and that has affected some of my recent unboxings. I want to get that off. Another item is a purse, and it was a pricey purse, but I'll tell you about it if this is the purse. When I saw the size of the bag, I thought maybe the purse was small, but I think it's folded over. Here we go. Oh, wow, it's big. It's a big tote. All right, it's in my colors. Oh, look, there's that kind of terracotta again that I had in my fashion. All right, let me show it up close to you. I'm recording on my phone. I don't have a lot of leeway here. Can you see the woven fabric? It is fabric. All right, this feels like it's leather. It could be faux leather, the handles stitched on. And here's the bottom. That will open up. It's also cloth and sit. It is, no one's had this one before me. These handles are tied tight. Zipper top. And inside it looks like it has, over here, it's got those kind of 3 pockets, cell phone, no, it's 2 pockets. Cell phone, and someone hands you a receipt or a kid spits out their gum into a tissue, you would put it in there. You can tell I'm a mom. That's gross, but y'all moms, you know you do it. All right, and on the other side, we have a regular zip. Okay, there we go. I'm looking in, you know when you're looking straight in the camera, it's like looking in a mirror, everything's backwards, so I'm easily confused. But there's a nice, actually deep zip pocket. Nice tote bag. The 2 pockets on the side, the cell phone pocket and the pocket that shall not be named, they have this trim on them. Can you see the trim that matches the outside of the bag? And this is all lined. This feels like canvas. I'm sure it is. This is a canvas lining. So basically this is a canvas bag. Now, a couple of reasons I wanted this. It jumped out on me at something that might be useful. I like tote bags when I'm doing more than like just a grocery run. Just a grocery run, I have a very small crossbody. But I do find tote bags very useful, especially if I'm carrying a book with me or my iPad. Will this fit? Well, this is not going to fit my computer. I have a massively huge computer that is actually, holy cow, will this fit my computer? This is like, it's supposed to be a 15.6, but it really measures almost 17 inches because there's so much outside to this. I could squeeze it in there, but I'm not going to try. My point is, if you have a regular sized laptop or one of the small laptops like a 13-inch, it's going to fit in here. And this is, It's not padded, but this canvas is so thick. I don't know. I think it would be useful for that. I would use it like if I'm traveling on a plane, I can put a book in it. I can put, you know, a t-shirt, extra change of clothes in it, and I can put my regular purse stuff in it. So I like the color. I was looking for a cloth tote bag, and then what sold me on it was the brand. You'll know I avoid made in China. I don't rule it out. If something is exceptional and I can't get it somewhere else, like my cell phone, you can't get your phones anywhere else, I will shop there. But there is so much made in China, exclusion of other countries, that I usually try to find somewhere else to buy my items. This is made in Guatemala. And not only is it made in Guatemala, the company, Mercado Global, hope I'm pronouncing that right, empowers rural Latin American women to become entrepreneurs. Each product is handcrafted using traditional Mayan weaving techniques, giving each artisan the ability to financially support their family. Handcrafted in Guatemala. Each piece is one of a kind. This is a handmade purse made by a woman in Guatemala who is trying to support her family. This was $69. Actually, for Stitch Fix, that's a pretty good price. I would have paid $100 for this item. I would have paid that much because of the support. It's giving it to someone who really needs it, and it's a unique, special piece. I encourage you to request Mercado Global in your Stitch Fixes. They have a whole bunch of bags. This comes in two colors. It comes in sort of a cool of blues, and it comes in this terracotta tan, which y'all know is much more up my alley. So I am so happy with this. I didn't know from the picture if it was going to be like this big for $69. I would have gotten it anyway. But it's a good full-size tote bag. It'll fit my iPad, it'll fit my books, it'll fit a notebook. I am really happy with this. Can you tell it's a keeper? I am happy on so many levels. I would have kept it anyway, even if it wasn't what I needed. I would have found a home for it because I do want to support the women who make this in Guatemala. Mercado Global. Order it on your Stitch Fix. Now, Cosmic Blue Love. Who was I talking to in my comment box? One of you guys was telling me Cosmic Blue Love makes very good pants. Ooh, this is far more of a coral or an orange than I thought. Oh, this is good. See that? These are capris. Hope they're not made in China. Neither the Stitch Fix stylist nor the client can tell where an item is made unless it's made in the USA. They'll tell you that. So we don't know. Cosmic Blue Love, size 31. That is my size today. It's a 12. I don't want it to be a 14 again. Or a 16 again, or anything I used to be. Okay. Cleo Cargo Capri Pant in orange red. It is an orange red, but it is... muted is not the right word. It's not saturated. It's not neon. Okay. And I saw this and thought this would go really well with the top I got a few fixes ago. Right now I'm looking for things that match so I can make outfits. Now at the cuff, isn't that cute? Little buttons at the cuff. And I believe that the inseam for this was 21 inches because when I'm looking for a capri, I'm looking for a capri. I'm not looking, some of them are 25 inches, which looks like an ankle pant on me. I saw this was listed as 21 inch capri and I said, I'll try it and we'll see if it's an actual capri or clam digger length. I like clam diggers. If you never heard the term clam digger, you're younger than I am. All right, and look at that snap there. I can actually take this, unsnap it and roll it up to make these shorter or drop it and make them longer. I really like that. And there's, all right. Clam digger length, walk at the beach and splash in the tide length. Yes, please. Now, hold on. All right. It's not quite as short as I thought it might be, but this is definitely good. I have it with this little top I got, I think, about 3 fixes ago. and it works perfectly as an outfit. Do you like it, miss? Are you barking your approval? Okay, I just rolled them up once more and they're holding fine. I rolled them up another time. This is what I would call more of a capri length for me. Comes right to my calf. They also have, I don't know how well you can see this, they have side pockets on each side because they're cargo pants and it's deep. My whole hand fits in there. Can you see that? And the snaps work pretty well. Snick. Ta-da. Okay, so the Mercado bag, $79. For some reason I was charged sales tax on this and not on the trousers, but I guess because the trousers are clothing and this is an accessory, probably legally they have to charge sales tax on this, at least in the state of Texas. No problem, altogether with tax, this was $72. That's a lot for a bag, but it's not a lot to support the Guatemalan women who handmade this. Each one's unique. You're helping to feed a family. Mercado Global. Order from them. All right, and the capris were pricey. Now, the reason I went for two pricey things, well, I probably would have gotten the bag anyway, is because people used, I've had twice in the past year, I've had a special credit for new Stitch Fix clients. And a lot of you guys used that credit. So you got extra credit toward your Stitch Fix, and I got credit also. And because of that, I can get both these items at no additional cost. So those of you that used my link, thank you so very much. Most of you know I am temporarily out of work because of COVID, and it just helps. It helps tremendously that people did that and that I can get a little something extra. I know a lot of people are really suffering under this COVID. I'm going to say, although I'll have my regular referral link for Stitch Fix below where I get $25 and you get $25 if you sign up for Stitch Fix, I'm going to let people know they very often run the promos with different people. You never know till you're checking out your Stitch Fix, or you might get an email from them saying, right now for the next 48 hours, your referral link is worth $75 credit for someone, or $100 credit, which is what I got for someone. Look around YouTube for that. If you're thinking of Stitch Fix, look around to see who currently has that credit, because you want the best deal, and I want you to have the best deal. So anyway, and I also kind of had my turn, right? Because I got this credit. These pants, oh, I didn't take them off again. I think I'm keeping them on today. They were $88. They're the kind of trousers that I would get as a fifth and a 5 for 5, because with Stitch Fix and a regular Fix, if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. That's a lot of money for a light trouser, but they're perfect. They're exactly what I was looking for, and thanks to you guys using my link, they're not costing me anything. So I have used my credit, and I am very, very thankful for you, and you guys that have tried Stitch Fix, I really hope that credit worked for you too. Now, I seem to be on a lucky streak this week. I want to let you know about another YouTuber, and a lot of you, I'm sure, already subscribed to her. She's Teresa360. I always want to say Therese360 because that's how I pronounce that name, but I think it's Teresa360, and I will link to her channel below. She does all kinds of unboxings and clothing videos. She also does hauls like from discount places. She's amazing how she does her videos. She is so professional. She showcases each item. She shows you the fabric they're made of and all the details that come with an item. She's got a really good channel. And she was running a giveaway. Now, Stitch Fix sells Nakamol jewelry, and I'm not a massive jewelry person, but when I saw the Nakamol jewelry, I loved it. That was another item I had requested in my last Stitch Fix, was a Nakamol bracelet. So she ordered directly from Nakamol, and she ordered 5 pieces to use for a giveaway. And I knew she was having the giveaway in the future. I had commented on the video. Now, when her stuff pops up in my feed, I go over and watch it. And I realized I had missed one a couple of days ago, so I went over to watch it. It was a regular Stitch Fix unboxing. And as she's unboxing, she said, I didn't tell people I'm going to do the giveaway during this video. I didn't put it in the title because my giveaway is for my loyal subscribers, not someone just looking for a giveaway. So throughout the video, she pulled a name. And those of you who do unboxings, you know when I comment on your stuff, I do detailed like chapters on each item. I'm like that in person too. I'm just blah, blah, blah. All right. So I'm there commenting on one, and then I hit send, and then when I see the next item, I comment and I edit it in and I edit it in. Finally, she gets to what I thought was the last drawing, so I typed congratulations to the winners and sent it. And I'm watching to the end of the video, even though she's already done her unboxing, and then she says, and this is the last drawing. And I went, oh, I thought she already did 5. She must have done 4. She pulled my name. And I went, I mean, like a cartoon, jaw to the floor. What she had was these gorgeous earrings that had, Nakamura has those stones. It was like a celery, or it was a light green sea glass cut stone on like a leaf earring. Beautiful. I do not have pierced ears. However, my daughter, whose favorite color is that shade of green, my daughter Katie, not the one you know from my videos, Mary, she has pierced ears. She wears earrings all the time. That's her favorite color. And I was so ecstatic that I won that giveaway. And you got to understand, Teresa has 80 gabillion people commenting on her videos, so it's not like 5 people commented and I had a good chance. So I was just so excited. So I just emailed her with my shipping information, and I'm going to put those earrings in a box to send out to my daughter Katie in Seattle, along with some stuff for the grandkids. I'm just so happy. It just made my day. You know, it's been difficult with the COVID lockdown and with not working, and I'm doing some work on the side that I can do from home, but it wears on you. And honestly, in the scope of problems throughout the world, the way we have it right now in New Jersey is minor. It's annoying. It's not soul crushing unless you let it be, but it's annoying and it gets to you. And having something like winning that giveaway, or having y'all use my referral link so I could get this bag and those trousers, it just brightens my day a little bit. And I hope for you guys there is something that happens to you this day that brightens your day. You know what I do each morning? I ask God to send me whatever adventure He wants me to have today. Whenever I do that, I forget some mornings, whenever I do that, something wonderful happens. So I encourage you all to do the same. Thank you, and I will see you whenever I get my next shipment of whatever. I still do have a couple of other videos that I haven't posted yet that are for other things, some TV reviews, a review of my coffee milk foamer, a few things like that. They'll be coming. All right, bye-bye.